Write your account number with needle on a white piece of paper and receive huge amount of money after doing it. I know this may sound strange to you, but I'm going to be sharing with you on how you can do it on this video and you see it happening. Okay, just relax, watch the video to an end. If you have seen me for the first time, my name is Gideon. I teach spiritual tip here on this channel, so make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like my videos, give me that thumbs up. Okay, it's very important to me. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. Okay, so if you really want to receive huge amount of money, then you need to watch the video to an end. Let me share with you how you can do it so that it will happen. All right, first you need to understand that what we are doing is a spiritual something. Okay, and remember, the spiritual realm control the physical realm. That's just the truth. Okay, you need to understand that. Okay, so for you to carry out this spiritual exercise, there are items that you need to have for you to be able to do this. Okay, so the first item you need to have is a needle. Okay, it's a needle, a single needle. That is the first item that you need to have. And the second item you need to have is a white piece of paper, just a piece of paper, and you get a sea salt. You can buy this from a spiritual shop. Okay, you can buy it from a spiritual shop. Now when you get these items, now, firstly you are going to write your account details with the needle on the white piece of paper. Okay, write your account details on the white piece of paper. Okay, now after writing it on the white piece of paper, you open that sea salt, use it and pour inside that white piece of paper. Okay, pour it inside that white piece of paper and wrap it up. Okay, wrap it up. Then pray towards that your account number. Pray towards that your account number. You say, let money locate me wherever money is. The spirit that commands money, let it locate you. Okay, this will be your prayer. These are the things that you'll be saying as you have wrapped that paper together with the sea salt. This will be your prayer. Okay, this spiritual exercise, you can do it in the afternoon, you can do it in the morning, you can do it in the night. Anytime that is convenient for you, you will do this spiritual exercise and you will receive the results. Okay, so after praying, you take that paper with that sea salt, you take it to a road that leads to different direction. A road that leads to 4 different directions. Okay, you drop that piece of paper there and you drop money, any amount that you have with you, you drop it on that road. Okay, you can drop the paper by the side of the road, you can drop it at the middle of the road, you can drop it at the center of the road. Okay, but make sure you drop it at the 4 road that's 4 direction road that lead to 4 different directions. That's what I mean. Okay, so drop it there and drop money, any amount that you have with you, drop it there and go your way. Okay, you see that within short period of time you will see the money that will be coming your way. This is a simple, powerful spiritual exercise that you will do and you start receiving huge amount of money after doing it. This has been working. Okay, this has been working and people have been giving testimonies on it. I just want to share it on this channel so that you can be able to practice it by yourself and you will be among the people that will give the testimony. Okay, you'll be among the people that will give testimony after doing this. Okay, so make sure you practice it. If you don't understand it, if you are confused in any way, ask questions so that I will direct you very well. Okay, I will direct you very well. And if you have any spiritual problem, any spiritual issues that you need assistance, my number is there on the video. Just chat me up with the number showing on the screen so that I will assist you. Okay, if you need any spiritual products, place your order with the number showing on the screen. This 2023, once you are my subscriber, your life must change for good. You must have a testimony here in this channel. Okay, God will use this channel to bless your life. So make sure you subscribe, follow up this channel, watch my videos anytime I post, and you learn something that will add a positive changes to your life. See you guys in my next video. Bye.